Okay, this is where we're starting. We got the fuselage together. A bit of extra filling to do. Tidy it up. Clean up the various gaps where the two halves haven't quite matched. And so there we are. Here you go, it's got its little wings now. A bit of sand down and fill in the underside. You see there's a bit of gap in the wing join. Right, a few more bits on. Got the tail sections. And I don't know if the last bit had the rear end part of it on. I've done a bit of filling on the seams. I'll be painting it then afterwards. The tail end is a bit, it's alright by itself, but it doesn't really line up. The wings aren't really as equally tilted as they should be. But I can't change that now. So hopefully it'll be not so much of a significant problem when I put the wheels on this side anyway. But yeah, I can't alter it now, it's too far gone. Oh well, I've reset the wing and it's more in line with the tail now, but I've had to do some filling, so it's working out though. Saturday the 22nd of March, and I've got the main undercarriage on, well, the little wheels and the front wheel and the main centre undercarriage leg itself. We've got to put the wheels on afterwards. I've had to add the little bit of an inside part to the wheels because they had too much of a hole in the wheel arm. So I've added a little bit of formed plasticard in between there to try and fill it out a bit so that it'll fit properly or better. Yeah, there we are. But once these parts are on and the main undercarriage doors for the front, then the undercarriage will be done. March 25th, it's got all its wheels and undercarriage doors there and there. I may put them on the inside rather than on the edge of the bay by mistake, but nobody's going to know, and I pass Karen. I've used to point out the fact I've got some plasticine underneath there to hold the undercarriage door while it glues, rather than fiddle about trying to place it in position bug there after I put glue on it, so it's easy to put the glue on afterwards. I've got the wheels there with the extra inserts to try and keep them separate in a nice position, if you know what I mean. There might be some bugs on you because I've been having this drying in the greenhouse, so gluing in the greenhouse, so that's why the little creatures on it perhaps. But yeah, all the wheels are on, just a matter of repainting and then doing the cockpit area. We've nearly got ourselves a P.1127. It's one of those from the distance jobs, but I've added to the basic seat by using some plasticine and to make like a padded cushion sort of effect, and tamiya tape to make the seat belts. A bit of a headrest as well from painted plasticine. Make the plasticine in the shape and then paint it afterwards, and then glue it on with a bit of white glue. So that's how I've done to upgrade the seat. Look better from a distance underneath the canopy, but there we are. I've installed the seat now and painted the surround more of a grey colour as per the reference photographs, and put the probe nose on, so that needs to be checked for gaps and things and painted, and then all's left then is to put the canopy on when I've finished painting the frames. Well, here's the finished article. I've got the probe on the front. Need a bit of filler on that, but got the decals on. The canopy doesn't fit as well as I'd like it to, but it's quite old, so wouldn't expect it to be perfect. Got the decals on, gone on quite nicely. I've put some different bit of aluminium to go contrast with the silver. Try and get a bit of break it up a bit. I put the decal on a different place to what it said on the box, because I consulted some photographs online, and there was one doing aircraft carrier trials had it in that position, the black and white checker data mark or whatever it's called. Decals went on well. A little bit of a seam line with there, just a bit, but I couldn't go through it again to try and flatten it out. Nobody's going to look at it because it's going to be underneath, so I saved myself time with that. Know when to quit, doesn't it? So there we are, it's done. First kit of the year. Point focused. And in March as well, so I'm ahead of schedule. Hope you liked the little video of me making it. And next, be a different plane.